Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Still gotta work on that exhaust. Stay tuned, that's on the way, man. So, we're here at that boy Jay, and of
course, every time y'all come over,
you see what's going on right here. And they got the van out. Shit don't make no sense. I was like, y'all brought the whole van out for a call. I don't know what's going on, but y'all see it.
Update.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, update. I can't sell this piece of shit no more because it flooded in the back. So this is strictly gonna be a race car. I'm gutting this bitch, doing everything I can. This is gonna be a race car. I'm gonna try to beat this shit out. We'll see.
I told him just take the doors off that shit.
He say take the doors.
Ride that shit like a Jeep, man.
Well, when I take it to the track and shit, I'd have to actually put it on a trailer. I can't drive this straight to the track. Unless I put a full, I have to get a full roll cage in this bitch from here, all the way back here, all the way across.
Why not?
Shit gonna be expensive. That's why.
Shit, that shit gonna be some good ass content though.
Oh yeah, when it's done, that's gonna be like last.
I mean, even the whole process, they gonna be like, nah, you wouldn't take the time to do that shit, and you would, and people will watch that for real.
Yes, I would.
Yeah, man, one day at a time, man.
One day at a time.
I was like, that shit is done.
That bitch is. That's why it wasn't moving, bro. It's actually sitting on this.
Hell no.
Shit, we can.
What is that, a cat?
Scat.
Yeah. You trying to race?
It's just a hit, but it's got something on it. I know it's got something done to it. We're gonna race on SCATPACK and get some shit done. Trying to race. This nigga do. You lucky. If it was me, I would be like, yeah. But I know you, and you're not gonna do that shit.
I be chilling, man.
Yeah, like I know you. That's my boy.
You ain't gotta race everybody, man.
Right.
I know what this shit can do.
Right, nigga. That's good. It's another scat. We just going through scanning, you know what I'm saying? Ah, there go your boy. I don't even know if he in that bitch. Oh no. He's on. I don't know which one I hit.
Let me see.
Hold on. I don't like moving around. That's why I kept my hands on my knees. I was like, look, you not.
Bro, what new ordinance are you talking about?
I'm saying, what he never told us what ordinance.
They already got two over here. Is it recording?
They acting like we hit 100. Yeah. Wow.
If I'm gonna take it, I need y'all to I need to get a shot. I need to get a clickbait shot.
I need to see how fast we were going to. Yeah, I'm saying we couldn't have been.
Not going that fast.
We were not, but it's not that possible to go that fast yet. This shit don't go 0 to 60 in 3 seconds.
I'm like, what the fuck y'all trying to impound niggas shit?
Right, bro, what kind of threat is that? Take a long time trying to find some shit, huh?
Right.
Right, bro. Like, what are you looking for? Oh, probably. You said you got paper tags again.
Yeah.
Damn.
My shit's legit though.
Oh, okay.
They give you that when you get like a new.
Oh yeah, when you waiting on your tags, yeah.
Alright, he coming back.
Just looking at you.
Got any weapons in the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Don't reach for anything.
I got you.
Explain with your mouth. Where are your weapons at? All right. Don't lift it up.
You see my?
No, I don't. I'll
Okay.
see it from here. Let your. Up you go. Your 10 is at 9%. Georgia legal limit is 32%. The lower the number is the darker the 10. You're well below legal limit. And let's go with a verbal warning. You get pulled over again out here tonight, you're going to jail and your car is getting impounded.
I understand that.
Slow down.
I got you.
And the tent needs to come off. Free to go.
Alright, appreciate it.
Fuck out of here.